Hi Bets, I'm with Bayi. So we're going down south. So join us for this road trip and our staycation in Moalboal here in the Gear Tours. What's up guys? We are heading south to the beautiful town of Carcar and Moalboal. I bet most of us Filipinos really love the Cebuano specialty called lechon. So stick around and watch this vlog until the end, as this will show you where you can have the best lechon in southern Cebu. Cebu is known to be the Queen City of the South, and aside from the beautiful places to visit, this island is also known for its savory lechon. So as a true blue Cebuano, we are going to one of the island's beautiful town, wherein they are very known for their lechon. The town of Carcar is about 2-hour drive down south. This town is not just known for their lechon, but also known to be Cebu's shoe capital and the market for chicharron or pork rind. What amazes me when driving in this town are the big trees. These trees were supposedly cut down and removed due to road widening. And good thing that the government changed their mind. So guys, ni-sud ni sa Carcar nga public market para mag-food hopping. We're gonna have our breakfast here for the lechon. So yun it. Daghan yun na, nalingaw na. This is the delicacy that helped me gain 1 million views on my YouTube Shorts videos. And as my way of thanking my subscribers, I created this vlog for a more in-depth information about lechon, so please subscribe to my channel for me to be more motivated in creating informative travel and food videos like this. Ilawan sa namin lechon, sa gilami diri. The salty lechon. Saman. Sila man, 1/4. Sure ka? Wala? Nahulot mo? Pila ang kilo dahil? Ang half kasi yan. Yeah. Manang, thank you. Sige, half kilo lang. Saan pa nga lechon doon? Shells. And we're gonna have the lechon for our breakfast upstairs, because it's the only place where we can eat it. As a lechon lover, we consider that it passed our standards if it has tender and juicy meat, savory and salty flavor, and most importantly, very crispy skin. Thank you. The best to pair with lechon is the puso, where a cup of rice is wrapped with palm leaves. This will definitely conceal how much rice you will consume when you have it with lechon. It's so amazing that in a matter of less than a minute, the weaver created the palm leaves into a puso wrapper. So guys, we're here at Carcar Public Market, and in the middle of the market there's a lechon station because there's other area there for the wet station or for dry goods station. So dire on the second floor, it's their dining area. If you like to eat your lechon that we bought here, for 1 kilo of lechon, it's 600 pesos. Since duhara mini bayi, since there's just 2 of us, we bought half kilo. So that's of course 300 pesos. While for the puso, how much does this cost?
10 pesos.
10 pesos. So it's a cup of rice already, which would cost you 10 pesos per hanging rice like this. So we're excited because it's brunch time. It's already 10 a.m. here, and Bual is still 2.5 hours from here, I think. So join us for this brunch. So this is the half kilo of lechon that we bought downstairs. There are 2 lechon stations here, by the way. This one is here at the public market. There's another lechon station here in Carcar, which is near the souvenir shops, or I think there's more of the chicharon side or kato ilang mga local delicacies. So if you're here sa public market, na there is a almost dead end part of the public market, while the other one is near the delicacy side or delicacy stations nila, katong daghag chicharon. By the way guys, if you're gonna eat your lechon here sa public market, it's quite challenging because you need to have at least your utensils. But good thing, here at the second floor, bebe anak nek ratong kananan or eatery lend us their plates. And of course, we bought the water lancet from here because you cannot eat your lechon here kay kuwan siya ka ng teritoryo, no? So at least they're kind enough to lend us their plates or utensils, but we decided to eat with our bare hands. But of course, we wash our hands kay naman sila washing area dito. Sorry. So far, the lechon that we bought is good for the Filipino taste. They love it salty. So, yes, pasado siya para namo Cebuano. So, ingay kadak ang panit. Here's how the skin, or how big the skin is. If you're gonna buy half of the kilo, of course we have to crack it in half. Yes, ang videohan. You see sa Shakia? This thing? Wala, I think it's not half. Kuha pa. Calories. Sige lang, it's cheat days for us. It will be a road trip / staycation / food trip here in southern Cebu with me, JC of Big Gear Tours, and Bayi of Food Trail with Bayi. So guys, I'll just turn off the camera here, but do stick around and join us in our food trips, road trip, and of course staycation in southern Cebu here in Big Gear Tours. Since this is a long vlog, I will have to do a part 2. So see you on the next one so that I can give you a tour on the resort where we stayed in Bual. Again, this JC, your big ear digital tour guide, saying leave, eat, travel, and repeat.